Hello, future thinkers. Ever wonder how big the universe is, or what's beyond the sky we see? Well, today, we're going on a cosmic journey to find out. We live in an incredibly vast and fascinating universe, filled with countless galaxies, stars, and planets. And right in the middle of all that cosmic wonder is our very own solar system. Now, you might think of our solar system as just the sun and the 8 planets. But trust me, it's so much more than that. It's a bustling neighborhood of celestial bodies, each with its own unique story to tell. Our solar system is a bit like a cosmic dance, with the sun as the star of the show. All the planets, including our Earth, spin around the sun in a beautiful ballet of gravity and motion. But that's not all. There are also moons, asteroids, and comets all whirling around in this grand cosmic dance. Now here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that our solar system is only a tiny part of the universe? It's true. The universe is so enormous that our solar system is like a single grain of sand on a vast beach. But don't let that make you feel small, because even though our solar system is just a tiny part of the universe, it's still incredibly important. After all, it's home to the only planet we know of that supports life, our beautiful Earth. So what makes our solar system so special? Well, it's a place of incredible diversity and beauty. From the fiery surface of the Sun to the icy rings of Saturn, our solar system is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. We're going to embark on a spectacular journey through the solar system, discovering the secrets of our cosmic neighborhood and learning about the incredible forces that shape our universe. We'll encounter spinning planets, gleaming moons, and maybe even a comet or two. So strap in, space explorers. Our journey through the solar system has just begun. Did you know that the Sun is the largest object in our solar system? Yes, it's true! The Sun is a colossal fiery ball of gas, and it's so enormous that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Just imagine that! But the Sun isn't just big, it's also incredibly hot. Its core reaches a staggering temperature of 15 million degrees Celsius. That's hotter than anything we could ever experience on Earth. Now, let's talk about light. The Sun's light is so strong that it takes only 8 minutes to travel the 93 million miles to Earth. That's faster than any spaceship we've built. Here's a fun fact. The Sun accounts for a whopping 99.86% of the solar system's mass. That's nearly everything. The rest of the solar system, including all the planets, asteroids, and comets, makes up just a tiny fraction. Incredible, isn't it? The Sun truly is the powerhouse of our solar system. Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the other planets in our solar system? Let's embark on a cosmic journey, starting from the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury, named after the messenger of the Roman gods, is the smallest planet in our solar system. Despite its small size, it has a big personality. It experiences the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system, with daytime temperatures reaching 800 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime temperatures plummeting to minus 290 degrees. Next up is Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. It's often called Earth's twin because of their similar size, but don't be fooled. Venus is anything but hospitable. Its surface is hot enough to melt lead, and its atmosphere is so thick that it traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Then comes our home, Earth, the only planet known to support life. With its vast oceans, diverse ecosystems, and breathable atmosphere, it's truly a one-of-a-kind place in the solar system. But let's move on to our next-door neighbor, Mars. Known as the red planet due to its rusty color, Mars is home to the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. Scientists believe Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life. Our next stop is the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. It's so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is a gas giant with a strong magnetic field and dozens of moons. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. Twirling next in line is Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. It's best known for its spectacular ring system, made of ice and rock particles. Saturn is so light that if you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float on water. Next, we encounter Uranus. Tilted on its side, Uranus has an axial tilt of 98 degrees, meaning it spins nearly horizontally. This unique tilt gives rise to extreme seasons that last for 20 years. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest recognized planet from the Sun. Despite its distance, it's not a dull place. Neptune is home to the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 1,500 miles per hour. It's also distinguished by its deep blue color, resulting from methane in its atmosphere. Each planet is unique, with its own set of wonders and mysteries. From the sweltering surface of Venus to the stormy winds of Neptune, each planet tells a story of cosmic proportions. As we continue to explore and understand these celestial bodies, who knows what other secrets we'll uncover about our cosmic neighbors? Planets and the Sun are not the only ones living in our solar system. Meet the moons, asteroids, and comets. In our cosmic neighborhood, we've got a whole host of other residents. They may not be as big or as flashy as the planets and the Sun, but they're just as interesting. Let's start with the moons. Did you know that there are over 150 moons in our solar system? And each one is unique. Take our moon, for example, the only celestial body beyond Earth that humans have set foot on. It's also the fifth largest moon in the solar system. Then there's Ganymede, Jupiter's biggest moon. It's so enormous that it's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, just like Earth. Isn't that fascinating? Now, let's move on to asteroids. These are rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system. They're mostly found in the asteroid belt, a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids are quite large, while others are incredibly small. The largest known asteroid, Ceres, is so big that it's also classified as a dwarf planet. And finally, we have comets. These icy bodies originate from the outer parts of the solar system and have beautiful tails that light up when they get close to the sun. One of the most famous comets is Halley's Comet, which is visible from Earth every 76 years. The next time it will be visible is in 2061, so mark your calendars. These celestial bodies, though smaller, add to the beauty and complexity of our solar system. They remind us that there's so much more to discover and explore out there in the vast expanse of space. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're not just seeing stars and planets, but moons, asteroids, and comets too, each one with its own story to tell. These celestial bodies, though smaller, add to the beauty and complexity of our solar system. Wow! What a journey through our solar system! Now, can you remember everything we learned? We kicked off our adventure with a grand tour of the solar system, our cosmic home. We learned that it's not just made up of planets, but also includes the sun, moons, asteroids, comets, and so much more. Remember, it's all held together by the gravity of our very own star, the sun. Speaking of the sun, we discovered it's the powerhouse of our solar system. Its immense energy and light make life on Earth possible. And did you know? The sun is so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Now that's gigantic. Next, we visited our cosmic neighbors, the planets. We started with the inner planets, small and rocky, spinning close to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, each with its unique features and mysteries. Then we journeyed to the outer planets. These are the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. They are much larger but lighter than the inner planets. We also learned about the other inhabitants of the solar system. The moons, for instance, are fascinating worlds of their own. Some have oceans beneath their icy surfaces, while others have volcanoes, mountains, and even thin atmospheres. And let's not forget about the asteroid belt, a ring of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter, and the Kuiper belt, home to icy objects and dwarf planets like Pluto. Remember, our solar system is just a tiny part of the universe. There's so much more to explore and learn. Keep wondering, keep learning, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one to discover a new planet or a star. Thanks for watching. Until next time, reach for the stars, future thinkers.